Paris Diaries here with me. I'm standing outside the Paralympic Village. This is a really special place. This is the Paralympic Village, which was before the Olympic Village. But in the span of a week or more that the organizers got between the Olympics and the Paralympics, this entire village has been transformed into a space of full accessibility for para-athletes, and we have had some responses coming from athletes, and it has been called a paradise because it's so fully equipped, been made completely accessible for people with disability. In front of me, and this is really amazing, in front of me I can see the full building draped in banners which call out the names of the countries which are staying in each of these building blocks. So here I'm seeing Italy, ahead there is Canada, there is Nigeria. I still haven't seen where the Indian block is. That side is China. There are several countries, and each of the building blocks is marked with the flags or the names of the countries. So it's an incredible feeling to be here. In the Indian contingent is staying in the area inside, so we are not able to see it from inside, and it is high security from the opening ceremony onwards. It is high security, so visitor passes at this moment are not allowed inside the village. So we are doing this story from outside. And according to reports, and I have spoken to some of the people who are part of the Paralympic contingent, and they say they are incredibly satisfied and happy with the arrangements in the village, which have, the village has been made fully wheelchair accessible. The bathrooms have been made accessible, with handles and handrails, so that people who are in wheelchairs, they can, have it more easy. The refrigerators which are displaying food and drink, some open shelves have been created so that athletes of short stature or those in wheelchairs can easily access them. Throughout, it has been made accessible with aids, with assistance. So this village is, the state-of-art village for full accessibility of para-athletes, and we are standing here right outside the Paralympic Village. Stay with us for more coverage on the Paralympics each and every day. Stay tuned.